This video contains steps of inspection of your vehicle. Before you begin with your driving, make sure you inspect your vehicle to make sure that everything is in working order. We'll show you what to check in the following slides. This is the sample of a vehicle inspection checklist. You will need to check on the both sides of your car, the left and also the right side of your car. First, you will need to check the condition of the front door. Make sure that you could open and close the front door properly. In other words, there is no defect or damage to the door. Check the front window. Make sure there is no cracks or damage. Check the rear window. There should not be any cracks or damage. Ensure that you could open and close the fuel tank cover and it is clean. Do also ensure that the locking mechanism is working. The body must not be dented or scratched. If there are, please report to your supervisor. It is important that tires are in good condition and enough pressure. Make sure that there are a complete set of tire nuts. Ensure that the rear tire has functional thread. All tire nuts need to be properly fast-turned with the same pressure. Mudguard need to be strong and stable. The front mud flaps need to be in one piece and strongly attached to the vehicle. The rear mud flaps need to be in one piece and strongly attached to the vehicle. Ensure that the sliding door works smoothly. We will need to have an overall look at the front portion of the vehicle. Ensure that headlights works well and the surface of the headlights is clean. Ensure it is clean and no foreign object sticking onto it. The hood and front grills must be clean. Do observe to foreign object sticking onto it. Ensure that the front bumper is not damaged. The components are important. Ensure they are functioning well. Ensure that there is no hairline cracks on the windscreen and it is clean. Ensure the beacon light is functioning. Side mirror is important. Ensure it is positioned properly and it is clean. Position the driver's seat so that you are comfortable while driving. Footstep is needed for you to move onto the driver's seat. Ensure it is stable and clean. Pull up the handbrake when you are not moving. Ensure your gear is in free position when you are about to start the engine. Ensure to use the seat belt when you are driving. Adjust the rear view mirror and ensure it is clean before you start to drive. Ensure that the air conditioning unit is functioning well. You will need the cabin light mostly when it is dark. Ensure it is functioning at all times. Horn is vital for you to give attention to others. Ensure it is functioning. It is good to have an overall view of the rear side of your vehicle. Tail light must be functioning and clean at all times. Ensure rear bumper is not damaged and always clean. Make sure that the rear windscreen is always clean and the rear underview mirror is positioned correctly. Make sure that the rear emergency lights is functioning and clean. Make sure that the hazard warning lights is functioning and clean. Spark arrestor is to prevent fire-related incidences resulting from sparks. It has to be functioning at all times. Check the battery. The cables must always be fastened tightly. Always check the expiring date of the fire extinguisher. Ensure that the unit is positioned where it can be seen easily. Vehicles must always be clean and organized. At all times the wheels are to be in straight position when parking. Vehicle must always has a valid road tax. A valid airfield vehicle permit is a must for all vehicles in the airside. All airside vehicle must have the green roundel sticker. It has to be displayed at all times. Do ensure that there is the no smoking sticker inside your vehicle. Ensure that the spare tire is always with correct pressure and available for use.